Children, it is a activity page for day 7. Now that is addition of fraction when the denominators are not same. Additions of fractions when the denominators are not same. When the denominators are not same, in that case what you have to do? We have to find the LCM of the denominators. See here. Example you take, add 5 by 6 plus 3 by 7. Add 5 by 6 and 3 by 7. Observe the denominator here. The denominators are 6 and 7. You know the method of finding the LCM. Here 6 and 7 are the co-prime numbers. You can also use the division method to find the LCM. 6 and 7 are there. So you know that 6 ones are 7, you can write as it is, and 7 ones are 7. Then 6 sevens are you can take, or otherwise you know that 6 and 7 are co-prime number. They are not in the common table. In that case their product becomes the LCM. Here you take the LCM 42. LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. Now you write 42 here. Then this 5 changes. 5 is not 5 here, as the numerator is changed. Here you know that 6 sevens are 42 and 5 must be multiplied by 7 only, because 6 sevens are 42. 5 into 7, and you know that 7 6 are 42, 3 sevens are 3 into 7 6 are 42, 3 6 are 3 6 are. Then you can write this denominator as it is 42 only, and 5 sevens are 5 sevens are is 35. So you write 35 here, plus 3 6 is 18. You write 18 here. Then find the sum of these two. 35 plus 18. 35 plus 8 is 43. 43 plus 10, 53. Then you write 53 by 42. So what is the sum of this 5 by 6 plus 3 by 7 is 53 by 42. Complete the following by observing the above example and also the steps followed in the addition of the fraction. Complete the following. Here 7 by 8 plus 3 by 4 is there, and the LCM of 8 and 4. You know the method of finding the LCM. Here if you take 8 and 4, how will you get the LCM? If you use the division method, then you can find out. But one thing here you can observe, here this 8 is in the table of 4. So 8 is a multiple of 4. In that case this 8 becomes the LCM. Or otherwise, if you are not having any idea, follow the steps. 4 8, then you know that 2 2s are 2 4s are, then 2 1s are 2 2s are, then 2 1s are, then the product of these three becomes the LCM. And here you are writing, here you write the 8. Then you must fill the number here. What you have to fill? Here you know that 8 ones are 8, so 7 ones are. What you have to write here? Ones. 1 we have to write. After that, here 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are. Here you must write 2. Then 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 3 2s are 6. Then what is the sum of this 7 and 6? 7 and 6 is 13. 13 you can write. In this way, follow the steps and what you have to write in the empty place you must write and find the answer. Similarly, take this one. 6 by 5 plus 3 by 4. Here you must find the LCM of these two. What is the LCM of this 5 and 4? Again, they are the co-prime numbers. Their product becomes the LCM. 5 4s are 20. So follow the steps and complete the steps here. Now the next questions. Add the following fractions. 6 by 8 plus 3 by 12. Here also you must take the LCM. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. You must use the division method or any factor method. After that, here you must multiply 6 by which number that you have to identify. Again 3 by which number that you have to identify. Then 2 by 5 plus 7 by 15. Here also get the LCM of 5 and 15. Here you can use the division method, or otherwise you know that here 15 is the multiple of 5. Then 15 becomes the LCM. That also you can follow here. If one number is the multiple of the other, that greater number becomes the LCM. Follow the same steps here. Then third one, 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Fourth one, 8 by 11 plus 7 by 44. Follow these steps. Find the LCM. Next, it is very important to find the numerator is to be multiplied by which number, that you have to identify clearly. Then the addition becomes clear. Next, fifth one, 2 by 5 plus 13 by 40. Here also get the LCM of this 5 and 40. Here you can observe that 40 is the multiple of 5, so 40 becomes the LCM. Then sixth one, 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4. 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Here what is the LCM? Now observe here 3 and 4 are the co-prime to each other. Their product becomes the LCM. Verify that and find the numerator and from which the numerator of each fractions to be multiplied, that you have to identify. Now about the subtraction. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. Here first one, 7 by 5 minus 4 by 15. Here also you have to take the LCM. Here the denominators are different. If the denominators are different, in that case what you have to do? We have to take the LCM. As usual method, find the LCM of the 15 and 5. Here you will get the LCM directly because 15 is the multiple of 5. Therefore, the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15 only. Or otherwise, use the method. Here it is not divisible by 2. So, it is divisible by 3. You write 5 as it is. It is also 3 5. Next 5 ones are 5 ones are. So, you will get 3 5s are 15. After getting the LCM, here we have to find out the numerator is to be divided by which number. Here you know that 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Here 5 3s are 15. So 7 3s are. You must multiply the numerator 7 by 3 because to get 15, 5 is to be multiplied by 3. Therefore 7 is also to be multiplied by 3. So 7 into 3. After that 15 ones are 15. So 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 15 ones are 15. 4 into 1. Then here you write the product. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 4 1s are 4. So it becomes 21 minus 4 divided by 15. Then subtract 4 from 11, you will get 17 by 15. So addition and subtraction are same here. After getting the LCM, same method is to be followed, but we have to do the subtraction in the numerator. Now you take the second one, 5 by 12 minus 2 by 18. Here get the LCM of 12 and 18. What is the LCM of 12 and 18? You get it by the method by taking 12 and 8. So you divide it by 2. After that, if it is divided by 3, then also you divide it by 3. Write the LCM. After that, 12 into what is that LCM you must take, and 5 into that number must come here. Similarly 8 into what is LCM, again 2 into that number. Here you know the method of finding the LCM. Get the LCM and complete the second one. And for third one also, here take the LCM of 5 and 10. You know that 10 is a multiple of 5. Naturally 10 becomes the LCM. Then 5 2s are 10, 1 2s are 10 1s are 7 1s are you will get in the numerator. Then follow the next steps. Next you take the fourth one, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here what is the LCM of 3 and 4? LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Why it is 4? Because they are the co-prime number. Here 3 and 4 are not in the common table, so you must take the product as a LCM. Again here you know that 3 into 4 is 12, 2 into 4, 4 into 3, 1 into 3. That you have to take in the numerator. After that simplify the numerator and get the answer. Next you take simplify the following. Here one example is given, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3, and take the LCM of these three numbers. Which three numbers? 2, 4 and 3. You know the method of finding the LCM of more than 2 numbers. LCM of 3 numbers. As usual method, get the LCM. What is the LCM of 2, 4, 3? Here LCM of 2, 4, 3. We should divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Write this 3 as it is. Again you take 2, 2, 1, 2 1s are, write this 3. Then 3, 1 1 you will get. The product of these 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? LCM is 12. Then 2 6s are 12. To get 12, this 2 is to be multiplied by 6. Therefore 5 is to be multiplied by 6. Then 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are. To get 12, 4 is to be multiplied by 3. Therefore multiply this 3 by 3. After that 3 4s are 12. To get 12, 3 is to be multiplied by 4. So multiply 1 by 4. Then here write the numerator 12. Then you simplify the numerator. 5 6 is 30 plus you write 3 3 is 9 minus 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. Here write the product of 5 and 6 plus 3 and 3 minus 1 4 is 4. Then add this same sign. 30 plus 9 becomes 39. 39 minus 4 is 35, and write the denominator as it is. Simplify the numerator. Here you got the LCM 12. And follow the same steps to simplify this. Here get the LCM of these 3. Here all these are co-prime to each other. No. Here you know that 4 is the multiple of 2. So follow these steps, this type of steps, and get the LCM and simplify the numerator. First you must, after getting the LCM, to get this number you verify what is to be multiplied. Same number is to be multiplied by this 2. Similarly, what is to be multiplied by this 4? Same number is to be multiplied by 3. Okay, follow the steps. Then second one, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 4. Here find the LCM of 6, 3 and 4. 6, 3 and 4. And after that simplify the numerator. The important thing is, after getting the LCM, you must find out the number from which these numbers are to be multiplied. That is, here to get this number you verify 6 is to be multiplied by which number. By that number only 5 is to be multiplied. Similarly, to get that LCM, verify 3 is to be multiplied by which number. By that number only 2 is to be multiplied. So after getting all the 3 terms, then here the second is negative and these two are positive. You add them and subtract this. That is, here get the LCM of 6, 3, 4. You know that. How will you get? 2 3s are. Here 3 you write as it is, 2 2s are. Next you 2, write this 3 as it is, 2 1s are. Then 3 1s are, 1s are. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 you are going to get. You know that 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are you must write. 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are. Like this way you multiply and write here. After, here it is not plus, here minus is there, here minus is there, you must write minus only. Then you here the number, this number and this number were positive, and add that 2 number and subtract this one. In this way you can get the simplification. Simplified number will be formed. Then third one. In third one, 2 by 9 plus 7 by 3 minus 4 by 6. Again you take the LCM of these 3 by using the same method. After that, after getting the LCM, multiply these 2, 7 and 4 by which number is to be multiplied, that you have to find out, and then you multiply. Next one, fourth one. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 10. In this case, first you get the LCM. After that, here 5 is to be multiplied by which number, that is to be find out. Again 3 is to be multiplied by which number, that is to be find out. 7 is to be multiplied by which number, that is to be find out. After that, here second and third number will be negative. You must add them and put the negative sign. After that, here you subtract this positive and put the sign of the greater number. Then next one, fifth one. 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 16. Here find the LCM of these 3. What is the LCM of these 3? Here you know that 16 is the multiple of 8 and also 16 is the multiple of 4. And this 8 is the multiple of 4. Therefore, here what is the LCM you will get? 16 is the LCM. Verify here. 4, 8, 16. Start it from 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Then 2 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 you are going to get. Again here to get 16, 4 is to be multiplied by 4. Therefore 1 into 4. To get 16, 8 is to be multiplied by 2, 3 into 2. To get 16, 16 is to be multiplied by 1, so 7 into 1. After that, you simplify the numerator. In this way, here you simplify all this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth.